Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn video editing and you are completely beginner, so this video is for you. We are using Shotcut video editing software. That is the easiest video editing software I have ever seen. And in this video I am going to teach you basic to advanced level of video editing and each details with you. So guys, if you are watching me first time, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and without doing any delay, let's start. In this video we are going to learn how can you import audio, video and images for editing in Shotcut. For doing that, the easiest way is just open up the folder and drag that into the playlist.
Hello guys,
Uh, you can actually where is the playlist? Like this. You can actually add multiple videos at the same time, like this. And for editing, just you have to drag it into the timeline.
Hello guys,
Now this video is editable. The another way for doing that, just click on the open file, and here you will get the options for accessing your whole PC. Just click on OK, and here is the clip. Now for editing, you have to add it to your timeline. So just drag it and like this and add it to the timeline. So this is how you can add video, audio and images in your Shotcut for editing purposes. But we are going to learn how can you separate audio and video. So you have to just select the clip and right click on it, and you have to go to the more, and here you will get the options detach audio. Okay, here you can see we have detached the video and audio. So I don't need the audio part, that is why I am removing that. You have to select the audio part and just click on the backspace, or you can also click on X for doing that. In this part we are going to learn about how to split, how to cut, how to redo, undo and remove blank spaces from a video. So we have already imported a clip. Here is the clip, and suppose I want to start the video from this part. So what I will need to do, just click on this split option. You can see this split option, or in the keyboard you will just need to click on the S. Now you can see we have splitted the video into two parts, and I don't need this part, so that is why I am pressing X. And you can also see that we have some extra spaces. We don't need that also. Just click on the right click on the part, and you will get the option for remove. Okay, now your video will start from the first place, that is means 00th place. Okay, so we have split it. Now here is some more options. You can also do this from this this bar. Here you will get the option for undo, redo. So the shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z. And hello guys, in this part we are going to learn how can you add text to your video in Shotcut. So here I have two separated video, and I want to add text just only in this clip. So that is why I have selected this clip, and then you will need to go to the filters and click on this plus icon. Then you have to search for text, and you will get two options, text rich and text simple. I want to add simple text, that is why I am clicking on that. And here we have some default text, we have to remove that. And I want to add the river name actually. Okay, now if you want to add transitions, you can select from here, slide out bottom, slide out left. Okay, I'm selecting that. Now we have to resize that. You can do resize like this. I want this a little bit. Okay, now you can see the transition. Here is the transition. Okay, so we can do more things like changing the colors actually. add backgrounds. You can also add, I have to resize that a little bit. I know this is really awkward looking text. You will need to just design by yourself. You can also add padding outline. I want to add white outline, and you can increase the thickness, padding size. You will get the options. You can change also the position and size from here. You can change the position from here. Okay, you have some inbuilt options actually here: middle, bottom, top, center, right. You have to just click on that. Okay, so this is how guys you can add text. Hey guys, in this part we are going to learn about how can you zoom in and zoom out any clip. So for doing that you have to specifically specify the clip. So I am splitting that out. I want to add the effect in this clip. So after selecting that clip, I am going to the filters, and then you have to click on this plus and search for size, position, rotation. Okay, then you have to click on this clock, that is actually keyframes. Okay, now I want to zoom that in. You can see that is zooming according to the center, but I want the top side. Okay, top left side. So that is why I am giving the values actually 0 and 0, and you can see we have zoomed out the Jupiter Untitled, and I want to add some effects actually guys. Okay, so I want to make it just a little bit smooth. Yes, and end of the clip I also. Okay, now if I play that video, you can see the effect. Just wait. So this is how guys you can zoom in and zoom out. Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how can you add fade in and fade out effect in any video clip. So you can see we have two footage here, and if you see that again, the second video is starting really hardly, so we want to add some effects actually, that is fade in and fade out effect. For doing that, what we will need to do, you can see this little circle popping out. So just add this, and this is for fade out. Now if I play this video again, you can see the effect. That was fade in and this is fade out. So it's looking really beautiful after adding that effect. Okay guys. Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the filters that Shotcut offers us to use in our video. To apply the video filters, you have to click on that clip in which you want to add the video effects. Then you have to click on the filters and then plus icon and then video. So here you will get too many options for adding the filters. I will show you something. That first of all I want to show the wave, and now if I run the video, you can see we are getting a wave transition like that. You can also add vertigo. Okay, and I want to show you one more, that is this one. You can actually increase the ratio. So I think it will be better trying this all by yourself. So this is how you can add filters in your video. Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the brightness, color grading, hue and contrast. Okay, you can see we have got a clip here, but the color is not really so good. It is dull actually. So we have to add something to make it beautiful. Okay, you have to click on the filter and then plus icon, and you have to search for brightness. Now you can actually increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. Now I want to add some contrast. uh, okay, now I want to add color grading. So for that you have to type color and you will get the option color grading. This is a little bit you have to try this out by yourself. You will get three options actually here. I am not expert in color grading, but it depends on you how you want to edit your video and how you want to get the color. So try this yourself. One more thing I want to show you, that is balance white. That is actually white balance. You can also add this, try this out. And hue, uh, these are all about the colors and effects in Shotcut. So guys, I think these are all the features you will get in Shotcut for editing the colors of your video. Guys, in this part I am going to show you how can you increase the video speed or decrease the video speed. So we have a clip here. I want to increase the video speed, so I have to select that part and right click on that, and I have to go to the properties. After going to the properties, you will see the option speed. Now you can increase the video speed. Now if I run it, you can see the speed has been increased. You can also decrease the video speed. Now if I play this, you can see the speed has been decreased. So guys, this is how you can speed up or speed down your video. Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how can you increase the volume of your video clip. So first of all, you will need to select the video clip you want to increase the sound, and then you have to go to the filters and you have to import gain volume. Okay, now you will get the options for increasing the volume, and this is how you can actually increase the volume of your video clip. Hello guys, in this part I am going to show you how can you reverse your video. So here is the video clip. I want to reverse it. So you will just need to click right click on that video clip, and then you have to go to the properties. In the properties you will get the option for reverse, and you have to click on that, and then I want to get the best performance and click on OK, and you have to save that file. Okay, it will create a reverse file of your video, and then you will get the option to use that in your video clip. Okay, wait. So guys, we have reversed our video. Now if I play that, you can see the video is reversed actually. So this is how you can reverse your video. Hello guys, in this part we are going to talk about how can you rotate your video, and you can also zoom your video. So for doing that, you have to select the clip, and then you have to go to the filters and click on this plus icon, and you have to search for size, position and rotate. Then you will get an option here. This is the manual option, but I am not doing that. Okay, you will get one more option for putting the degree value. Suppose I want 180 degree, you can say that, or 90 degree, and you can also make it zoom in and zoom out by using your mouse wheel. So this is how you can zoom in and zoom out and rotate your video. Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you add background music. So you can see we have a footage and I want to add a music here, that is background music. So for that I have to import the background music here. Now I have to click on these three dots left side and add a audio track, add an audio track. You can see down below we have got an audio track and I have to drag this audio here. Now it's time to make it the same position. Now if I play this, you can hear the music but the volume is too high. So for so now what we will need to do, just click on the music and go to the filters and then plus icon and search for gain volume, and from here you can actually decrease the volume level. You can see, you can hear the volume has been decreased. So this is how guys you can add background music to your video. Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you export the edited video from your Shotcut video editor. So for doing that you have to just click on the export and then you will get some options. You can check the advanced option. In the advanced option you will get the resolution. You can increase the resolution from here, aspect ratio, that is default 16:9, and you can also increase the frame rate. And for exporting that edited video, you will just need to click on this export file and here you will get the options for exporting the file. You have to just give it a name like edited and just click on this save. So your video will be exported. So thank you for watching this video guys.